Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video we're going to the exhaust shop to get a custom exhaust made, and these are the tips we'll be using. Let's go! So what's going to be done is the rear and the middle muffler will be removed. A valved exhaust will be put into place with these quad tips. I could also do it myself, but I'm not the best welder, so I'll get it done by a professional. And I'm super excited about how the car is going to sound. So this is the before without the diffuser and also without the tips. And these are the tips that will be used, and I really love the carbon look. This is a valved exhaust muffler, basically two exhausts in one. When the valve is closed, exhaust gases are forced through the muffler where sound is absorbed and the volume is reduced. That makes it ideal for daily driving or leaving early in the morning without waking the neighbors. When the valve opens, the gases take a more direct path, bypassing most of the muffling. That's why it gets louder, sharper and more aggressive. One button gives you quiet or loud, best of both worlds. Unfortunately, I was not invited by the exhaust guy to film it, even though I had asked, but I will show you what he did do. He removed the middle muffler and welded a straight pipe in between, which is very neatly welded. That runs through where the old rear muffler was. The rear muffler has been replaced with a valve muffler, also very neatly welded. On the right side, or from this angle the left side, the exhaust gases have to go through the muffler where the valve is closed on the other side. If the valve is open, the exhaust gases can go straight through the muffler out of the car, which will make it a lot louder. So if the valve is open, it pretty much is a straight pipe from the cat back. And when the valve is closed, we have this giant muffler, which helps a lot with absorbing the sound. Here you can also see the vacuum lines that runs from the rear towards the engine bay, where a box is connected to vacuum control the valve. Okay, so I'm not the best welder, so that's the reason why I let the exhaust be made by another company. But for my future projects, I really want to do it myself. That's why I bought my own welding machine, and I'm getting the practicing hours for it so I can weld my own exhaust, because it will save me a lot of money and it's a really useful skill to learn it yourself. So if you're pretty handy, I recommend building your own exhaust, or at least trying to make it. If you're not handy, it's just €1,000, and then I really recommend getting it done by a professional. Or you can ask me. So in future videos you will see me welding my own exhaust, and I can maybe give you a bit of tips and tricks, but I'm still practicing as well, so I won't be a professional, but it will be nice. So stay tuned for that. So the exhaust also pops with the new exhaust, but it's really difficult to get a clear sound of the pops. So we're now going to drive a little bit, and I'm trying to get the sound on camera from the inside.
really love the way this car sounds now. It sounds super brutal, especially with the launch control. It really blew my mind. I hope you like the sound too. Please let me know in the comments. There's a lot more content about the transformation coming, so please hit that like button and subscribe to stay notified of future videos. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.